Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of my YouTube video. As I mentioned in my earlier videos, I like to showcase a bit more of my Hermes scarf collection, and especially I've been selling and buying as well all the vintage jewelry. So I actually pick up some of my beautiful vintage scarf clips and just show you together with the scarf and see how they look. So now let's get started. And I have prepared a tray of the vintage scarf clip. I might be show you one by one. Then I will also try it out with some of the Hermes scarf. So the first one is this really beautiful, like a flower shape, gold toned. And another couple is in enamel style. One's a bit more color, while the other one a little bit just black and purplish gold. And I have another beautiful rhinestone heart. It's very cute for Valentine's Day. And then the other one just a bit more contemporary, like modern style, but it's very like universal. You can use for a lot of scarves. And then another one, it's like a very much vintage 1970s with this kind of glass. It's not a stone, but look beautiful, especially in the light. And then the other one from distance look like opal, but it's not. It's more like fair opal, but a beautiful blue color, and it's slightly different style than the other scarf clips. It's a little bit more versatile. And the other one is my favorite. This is designer's one, actually made in France. It's a Yves Saint Laurent, so you can see the actually print on the logo. Not the logo, I mean the spelling in this incorporated into the design. And here on the bottom says made in France. And then I also prepare a couple of cocktail rings that will go very well with the scarf as well. So I will also show you. So this is beautiful, the glass, but more like citron type of color. And also emerald cut. And the other one, just a simple, sparkly, big, look like diamond, but it's not, it's just a glass. And then the other one is just very beautiful bakelite roses. You can use as a ring as well, but I think it's nice with the scarf. And then another one is just another flower shaped ring. It's a huge cocktail ring. Now, so now I'd like to show you, I'm just going to use a couple of the recent scarf I purchased, a very popular one. The most popular one I think is of Iconic design, the what they call bridge the gala. I think everyone probably knows about the bridge the gala, right? So I will try a couple of the scarf rings on this design, but before I put it on, I want to show you the print just in case, to show that's genuine. So you can see the lines very beautiful printed. Although I think because it's pre-used secondhand, so it's a little bit wrinkled but very light. So now let me try it on. This time just using the scarf rings, so make it easy. So what you do is just put in here, which might be just using this. Let me see which one matches this one better. Maybe I just do the most. Actually, I'll use this ring. Try this one. So you just put the two ends in. I guess you can use all kind of ring, your favorite rings if you like, but just make sure that you make it nice and secure. Do not lose it, because to mine it's just a costume jewelry, so it's okay. Now you see, so what I can do, just sort of make a bit more nice and even. Yeah, so that's the ring looking. with this scarf. You can see some sparks. I'm going to try one more with this one, maybe just this flower shape scarf ring. So you open the clip at the back, and then you just put the two ends in just like before. And I really like this design. Very simple, but it's very versatile. I have another red color. I will show you next time. So that's the one go with the gold. I think it matches really well because there are gold color in the pattern. So yeah, that's the ring looking. So now next scarf, let's show you another very popular design in Hermes in vintage. It doesn't have a title or name, but it is how can I put it? It's made a lot of perfume bottles. Right, it's very beautiful. I can show you some of the pattern, especially all those intricate detail and the print. And look at that. They have different colors. Like there are yellow. I saw some dark blue, and red, a dark like maroon red color. But the pattern pretty much the same. It's just the color contrast slightly different. So yeah, and that's the middle bit, and that's the other side. Right. So what I will do, I will just try this one as well with my scarf rings. So now which one I'm using? Maybe I'll try this. These white roses. It's just a ring. It's not actually a scarf ring, but I want to show you what it look like if I use a ring instead of the scarf ring, because you can pretty much use both. And I like the roses because it doesn't look too. It's very subtle. So yeah, that's this scarf. Oh, yeah, I have to just a bit more. So yeah, that's this look with the roses. And the other one I want to show, so be careful sometimes because this one actually is open, the ring is open, so I need to be really careful when I pull out. And maybe use this the heart. I think the heart is very cute. So yeah, I'll do what I just did before. Just put the two ends in first, and then pull, and then you just click, and then you just turn it up a little bit, and here you go. So now you have that. It sort of brings a little bit different touch to my dress, isn't it? So yeah, and especially I like the purple color. It contrasts really well with the dark navy I wear with the polka dot. Now, okay, now I'm going to move on to another scarf. Okay, and the next one is also in the, because today I'm in blue, so another blue one is also a very popular design in Hermes. And this one, there's a title in the middle. I'll just show you. It's something to do with virtual transformation, I guess. Yeah. There you go. If you want to take a good look. I also like this scarf because it sort of have a beautiful gold contrast with the navy blue. And then in the middle, you have more gold color. So yeah, let me try this one. It's more professional when I put it. I'm just gonna do, first I want to actually try a different tie, just give you some style. I really like this scarf. Even the design is quite simple, but it's just easy to wear. So yeah, that's this one. Right, or you can just tie a little knot, couple of knots in here, and that's the style. And now let me just try with one of my scarf rings and see what does it look like. So with this one, let me try the maybe bring a bit more color. How about this one? No, maybe too much. How about, let me see. Oh, I like this one. So let's try the opal, fur opal scarf rings. So yeah, we just have to pull the end inside. And okay, and then making sure both sides are even. It's a bit tight though, but there you go. It's small, but it's sort of tightened up a little bit. And what I can do, I can just make it a little bit more. I feel like it might be a bit too tight in here, but anyhow, it still looks good. So yeah, that's the purple style scarf ring look. I'll be still behind. Yeah, there you go. And then I have one more scarf to show you for today, and that's one of my favorites. And I want to show you the style. It's sort of apricot color with some roses. You see? Yeah, on the top it says Hermes Paris. There's beautiful golden ribbons. And there's title on the bottom. And for this one, because I like so much, I'm going to use this one and try the Yves Saint Laurent scarf ring. And see how that looks. So now you tie like that. And it's different. This one much easy to use. So now the other side. Look, it's a very big statement, as you can tell, with this beautiful circle, like a disc. And yeah, that's the style, if you want to take a look. And yeah, I hope you enjoy today's episode. I will continue update you with my other Hermes scarf. I got some really beautiful ones that I want to show you guys. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.